How to add noise or grain in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Head up to Layer, choose New Layer. Then give your layer a name. I'm going to choose Noise and change the mode from Normal to Overlay. And then check Fill with Overlay Neutral Color and choose OK. Then come into the Layers panel and right click this noise layer and change it to a smart object. Then make sure this layer is selected and come up to Filter, come down to Noise and then choose Add Noise. Within here we can increase the amount of noise that's on our image, so I encourage you to increase this to suit your own project. You can then choose between uniform or Gaussian distribution. I do prefer Gaussian for my projects, but play around with this to suit your own needs. And then you can choose between monochromatic or non-monochromatic. If you have monochromatic enabled, it's using black and white. If you have it disabled, it's using color. Once you're happy, choose OK. This effect can be edited by coming into the Smart Filter and double clicking on Add Noise. You can make any changes like so, and because we've worked non-destructively, you can toggle this layer on and off like so, and that's all there is to it.